As the time heats up, a warning this evening to persons working outdoors for long periods to pay keen attention to their health to prevent the likelihood of developing kidney problems. The call comes from a doctor at Mandeville Regional Hospital's renal unit. Once again, here's Krista Campbell.
A month away from the official start of summer, but the climate has already been heating up. And as persons become more exposed to more intense heat, a junior resident doctor in the renal unit at the Mandeville Regional Hospital in Manchester is warning of an even more serious exposure.
For example, persons that are exposed to intense heat without adequate hydration, and we reference our construction workers, or persons that are vending, or persons that are doing daily work in the sun, like our farmers, for example. We also reference persons that are exposed to finer pollution in the air. So persons that live in environments that have frequent burning of garbage, frequent burning of leaves, those persons are actually at risk if exposed to that over years of developing kidney damage.
She's encouraging men especially to do regular checkups.
Whereas the women might be a little bit more concerned if they notice that there is changes in the color of their urine or the quantity of urine. Unfortunately, our men do not tend to get checked until they are swollen, not passing any urine at all, and experiencing symptoms like malaise, nausea, and vomiting.
We want to remind men that they need to be doing their blood test for their prostate and checking to make sure that everything is okay. Lately, the government has also subsidized the cost of the PSA, which is their prostate blood test. They can use their NHS card now to get it done.
For his part, hospital CEO Alwyn Miller is urging the population to take kidney disease more seriously, noting that an increasing number of persons 20 to 40 years old, many of them from Clarendon, are being admitted for kidney failure. He's warning everyone, especially persons on dialysis, to pay close attention to their health and stay away from sugary and certain energy drinks.
Even when we are aware of this, persons still to continue to eat as they would have been accustomed to, according to how our culture is, whether it be the volume of food or the types of food and all of that, which eventually contribute to us developing diabetes, hypertension, and other diseases.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.